Hi, we're going to be watching episode 9. And the reasoning as to why she's doing this is just, oh god. Did her nail just get like eaten? Is that her, what her payment is? That's really, oh man, oh god, that sucks. But I guess it's worth it when you have something like that. Power ran off? What is so special about Denji's heart? Whoa, what is happening? What? Oh my god. What is with his heart? Why do they want it so bad? Why? Makes sense. Denji's going insane. Oh my god. Jesus. You can definitely tell who has a bit more experience. Like, I don't know how long this man has been like this, but he's definitely been like this longer than Denji has. The animation's amazing. Man, they really want that. Oh my god, Jesus. I was gonna say that they really want that heart. Oh my god! Oh, Jesus! I don't think that's gonna be helpful. Like, I don't think these people are ones to care about their minions. He's probably going to kill both of them. He did the same thing with Aki. What? Oh, cut them both in half. What? What is their ultimate goal? Clearly they want Denji's heart. But for what reason? No. Oh my god. They're all dead? Everyone that we saw at the bar is dead. We never saw Kobeni though. Is she still alive? I just got chills. Does Makima have like a sort of contract with the devil that allows her to resurrect or negate damage or something like that? I don't blame him. I literally don't blame him. Oh my god, what did she do to those men? Oh. All the blood on her face is gone. Oh, yeah. They have massive holes in them. What did Makima do? How did Makima do? How do you know that? 30 convicts? Life sentences or worse. Why do you need them? Is she going to like sacrifice these men for something?
はいはいはいはい。
そっち持て。
どこ持ちゃいいんだよ。なんだこれ。
What?
テンパってんじゃねえ。持て。
What's happening?
おい、なんか変な感じだ。
Something's weird.
ああ、
変な感じってどういう。
What? Was that Makima? Oh, she's shook.
いいはず。C 班に再度マキマの死亡を確認させ
Oh my god, she knows.
こちら E 班、こちら E 班。さっきから C 班との連絡が取れないんだ。
Oh my god! This is crazy. Is she using those crows? That pose, though. What did she do? Everyone seems to be alive still.
なんで俺たちも目隠しを
No, they're blindfolded too.
マキマさんは内閣官房長官直属のデビルハンターよ。
Secretary. Oh,
一階のデビルハンターやと
devil's
契約している悪魔を知ることは許されない。
devil contracts. Like plural? She has multiple contracts?
三島修造と言いなさい。
Shuzo Mishima.
三島修造。
Oh god.
さっさとチェーンソー運べ。
She's literally crushing him. My. Okay, now he's dead.
井上隆。
So all she needs is a name? What is this, Death Note? Light Yagami has... Oh my god. He has some competition. Oh my god, don't blame him. Don't blame him at all. Oh my god! Makima is OP. I don't think that's gonna help. Holy crap. She's like, job well done.
ここで私ができることは終わりました。
Done from here.
東京に戻ります。
My freaking god. Even they're aware that this is a losing battle. What is she staring at? Kobeni? Oh my god, she's still alive. He stepped in front of... Oh my god.
あなたたち銃撃犯ですよね。
ヘリ
Oh my god. So it is fingernails that came in. What? Kobeni! What? She didn't even look! Oh my god. She's using him as a shield! You can die in the van. This is crazy. After last episode, I did not expect that they could turn the tables so quickly. Is she out of ammo or something? Or she just didn't want to shoot anymore. For attempted murder. What the heck? Oh no! Is she gonna have a... Oh, I thought she just got shot then. I was like, oh my god, she's having a mental breakdown. What did she do to that person? Yeah, I can tell you're freaking out. Okay, that's definitely an old man. Oh, wow. They were not lying when they said that she has good moves, just very timid.
姫野先輩に会ったらやめるって言おう。
You might have a problem with that.
まどかくん、生きててよかった。
Madoka.
得意科はどれくらい生きてる？
得意1課2課
1,
3
2,
課
and
4
3,
課
and 4.
共に
All
銃
came
撃にあり
under assault.
人員不足のため得意1課2課3課は4課と合併
Oh.
以降公安大麻得意4課を牧間さんの指揮下に置きま
Be
す
under your command, Mark. Excuse me.
これを
何？
僕の辞表です
Resignation.
やめちゃうの？
得意課がきな臭くなってきました辞めるか殺されるかの2択ですよ最後に教えてください
One last thing I'm curious about.
牧間さんは今回の事態をどこまで想定していましたか
Oh my god!
一般市民に公安の内部事情を
Oh,
教えられな
that's
いな。
dirty, Makima. That is
まどかく
dirty.
ん、今までありがとう。
Now she's gonna have
あ
command
のマキマさん
under
俺た
Special
ち
Division
得意
4,
課に
which
入
is
るわけや
now
ないで
the
すか
only division that they have.
指導に来ただけですからね。
1週
Okay.
間ですぐ京都に戻りますから
残念。東京は美味しいお店がたくさんあるのに。
To die for. All part of Makima's plan? Like, did she know this was gonna happen? Because if she did, that is very... just so devious of her. If she did know. Because now she's gonna be in command of the one and only Special Division Force for the public safety department. Which is Special Division 4. I'm glad that Kobeni is alive, though. I really am. I think a lot of people gave her a bad rap. Understandably so, from trying to kill Denji a couple episodes ago. But I really like her character, and she's very, you know, I can empathize with her character and understand her motivations and stuff. And so I'm really glad that she's alive. But man, I wonder if she's actually gonna quit. What kind of person is Makima? We're just now starting to learn bits and pieces about her and her characters and her abilities. Does she have multiple contracts? Because that's what was implied by the way that those two people were talking about when they were, you know, discussing why they were blindfolded. So does she have multiple contracts? If so, that kind of makes sense. Kind of, because 1, she got shot in the head and didn't die. 2, she killed all those people with massive holes in their bodies. And 3, she killed all of those individuals like across the city because they weren't in Tokyo, they were in Kyoto, right? And so she killed them really far away using crows and sacrifices. So obviously that can't be all from one devil, and if it is, that devil is OP. But if she has multiple contracts, that does make a lot of sense, man. And what happened to Power? She just kind of just gave up. She was like, bye, I'm not dealing with any of this. So what's going on with Power? Is Aki gonna be okay? Himeno's definitely not okay. Kobeni is having a mental breakdown. Denji's not okay. Makima's insane. Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please if you liked, please if you disliked, and tell me what I can do better. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you're notified every single time I make a video. And I wish each and every single one of you a wonderful day, night, evening, afternoon, whatever you prefer, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!